You wash your car, you think everything looks great until the sun hits that certain angle and you see nothing but scratches and swirls that ruin the look of your paint. Well, I'm here to tell you that we have a solution for you with our brand new InSynchro scratch and swirl remover. I'm gonna show you and break it down to you all in this video. Stay tuned. Example number one, unnecessary accidents that we have along the road. Take this for example, this side rear mirror cap. Obviously has seen better days, as you can see, it happens. Who knows what it is, but that's exactly why we have our InSynchro scratch and swirl remover kit. This comes with everything you need. So let's open up our kit right here. As you can see, our 8 ounce of our InSynchro scratch and swirl remover, a premium microfiber towel, I don't want this falling off, and our handheld pad as well. So before we begin the process, I always recommend to wipe it down. Make sure you're removing any kind of loose debris on the surface. So that's why I have my SpeedWipe and a microfiber towel. Apply a nice amount. Remember, you want your surface lubricated as much as possible. Spray some onto the surface as well. This way, when we're using our microfiber towel, we're not causing any more harm to the surface. Being really gentle. Make sure to wrist roll every time you're wiping. This way, we're not scratching the surface as well. Just like that. Back nice, shiny, and clean. But let's remove this imperfection right here. So the InSynchro scratch and swirl kit, you guys, it's great, especially really convenient for on-the-go accidents. I mean, you see it, it all happens. Like always, make sure you shake up your product. Make sure you activate those formulas in there. Pop the spout open and apply a little bit. You don't need a lot. Keep in mind, you guys, this is for those spot imperfections. I apply at least 2 to 3 dime-sized drop. Close that back up and dab it onto the surface. Woo! It's windy out here. Dab it onto the surface. And remember, there's 2 sides to our hand applicator. There's always the cutting pad and the refining pad as well. So you apply this amount of pressure and you just go back and forth. You want to keep working it in until you see this stain disappear. When I go back and forth, obviously apply a little bit of elbow grease. And look, some spots are more difficult than the others, and that's okay. That's exactly why it's an 8 ounce bottle and not a 1 ounce bottle. Because if you need a little bit more, just add a little bit more. A little bit more. Obviously, I'm putting 1 dot. I'm not putting as much as I did before because there's already product on there as well. Dab it up a little bit more. Keep in mind, you guys, then obviously we just finished cutting the surface. Now I'm just gonna refine it just a little bit. There is product still on there, so I'm gonna reverse the applicator and just work that in. So just grab my premium microfiber towel, and obviously, as you can already see, buffing it off. And just like that, that paint transfer that was once on this mirror cap is now gone. And yes, obviously there's gonna be moments where paint is scuff off from the surface, and that's normal. There's nothing we can do about there, but for the majority, I don't have that annoying white line that I am constantly seeing day in, day out. It's removed, and honestly, this looks a lot better, and I will prefer this finish a lot better. But let's move on to some of the examples. I'm gonna show you that right now. Take this rocker panel, for example, you guys. Obviously, I'm not sure if they went over anything, but it is pretty scuffed and pretty bad down there. Especially on a black car, you could kind of see that white stain. So once again, I grab my 8 ounce bottle and my handheld pad, apply a nice amount. Obviously, first we want to blotch it. We want to spread our product. We'll spread it along the line and just work it in like we once did. Like I said, once we're done cutting, let's just refine it just a little bit. A little bit more. Woo. Come in with your premium microfiber towel. Just buff it off. And honestly, why does this rocker panel now look way better than the rest of the car? And one of the other examples we have are these pesky door handle scratches that we all know and see day in, day out when we enter and exit our vehicle. That happens because we either have long nails or we have things and items in our hands. And when we open these door handles, we just do this downward motion that causes those scratches. But this is exactly why we thought of everything. So we get our InSynchro once again, apply to our cutting pad, put this aside, lift up your door handle. I like using two hands in this process, one to apply the product and work it in, and my other to just lift up the handle, giving me more leverage and more space, more comfort, as you will. And just like that, it's cutting everything. It's getting rid of any oxidation as well, any tarnish buildup, just working it back and forth. And once you see, obviously, the bottom half done, just show my cameraman, come over here closer real quick. And just like that, look at the bottom half. It's already working. You already see that illuminated. Let me remove the top half right now. Now that we're done out here, let's move on back inside and see the 16-ounce bottle in use. Now moving along from the kit, if you find yourself in a bigger pickle, such as polishing a complete car, then our standalone 16-ounce bottle of InSynchro Scratch and Swirl Remover would be the one for you. And trust me, you get the best results when pairing it with any of our torque polishers here. Keep in mind, you guys, this is a one-step product. So what does that mean? It's totally versatile. By examining this paint, I'm noticing overspray, scratches and swirls, you name it, this has got it. That's why I went with our 𝘊𝗋𝗆𝑥 Logic cutting pad, because it's our second most aggressive cutting pad. But keep in mind, you guys, InSynchro Scratch and Swirl Remover is so versatile. It's a one-step situation. So you could basically use this with any pad you desire, depending on the condition of your paint, of course. But for the most part, I'm gonna be using our orange one and our InSynchro Scratch and Swirl Remover. So open up the spout. And like always, apply a great amount onto your pad. Since I am indoors, I'm gonna be taking a larger portion of the hood. We always recommend you working in a 2x2 section. And remember guys, cord always over the shoulder. Blotch out your product, spread it out, then work it in. So how does that look? Get your machine, press firmly, blotch it, set your machine down again, turn it on to the first speed setting, and spread the product. So now that I feel I have an even amount of product from my starting point to my ending point, now it's time to crank up the machine, turn up that heat, and start cutting. So now, once you've completed your section, you're done polishing, all you gotta do now is just grab a microfiber towel and just wipe out the surface. See your results. See if you have to hit it again or move on to the next surface. And by the looks of it, I'd say this is a win. me just finish wiping this off so you could see that 50-50 as well. Keep in mind, you guys, this is a one-step correction polish. So what does that mean? Sometimes, you know, those scratches and swirls might be deeper, and that's okay, because we have other InSynchro products for that as well. But for the most part, this one step did its job. And if you don't believe me, let's pull out that tea. Night and day difference. On one side of the car, you see all that contamination embedded on the surface. It honestly looks like more of a grayer color than its actual true color. Right here, I'm noticing the black tones. I'm noticing that blue metallic pearl on here. Man, talk about a night and day difference. And just like that, you guys are now pros when it comes to using our brand new InSynchro scratch and swirl remover, whether it's the 16-ounce bottle or the kit itself. You guys know where to use it. You guys know when to use it. As always, if you like any of these products, be sure to check them out at your local detail garage or on our website at 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗍.com. See you guys on the next one. I'm Alex. It's a pleasure being here. Bye, you guys.